wet it, and then we'll just start it. Water here. Spray a little bit more. See how clean? Look at that. It's all clean. Step 5, we are just going to rinse everything out. Then we have a clean, multi-purpose cleaning bucket that we can use continuously on and on and on. And now we're just going to wash this off. Now we can see how much stain, filth that came out. And we are just going to wash this. Rinse. And look at that. Before and now, look at how clean this looks. Now you can use this to do anything else instead of how filthy it was before. That is how easy this is. Now here is our multi-purpose cleaning bucket, looking so clean, so really nice, where you can now use this without worrying about anything because it's clean. Just using a simple ingredient, you are done. And that's it.